Are you trying to upload your videos to TikTok using your PC and you get that music copyright strike?
Oh
Well,
no!
let me show you how to upload your video to TikTok and use TikTok's music. Okay, the first thing you want to do, you want to go into your files and upload your video to TikTok. Go into your edit video screen at the top left. You will see the library of music come up. You do a search for whatever kind of music you want. Add that to your video. Music on TikTok is 1 minute long. Adding music to TikTok. So go out there, you creators, and create. And I hope you like the video. If you really like it, hit the heart button, share to your friends. And thanks for watching.